and stared at 1,000 full moons. Sometimes it feels like I've been here forever, and sometimes it all feels brand new. I could never count the heartbeats from the day I was born until now, but not a single one goes unnoticed by Him who breathes life in me somehow. But if there were no more tomorrows, if I knew that I could not stay, I know how I'd spend every minute if I only had today. I'd hold you and listen, and I'd let the dishes sit in the sink. I'd tell you I loved you over and over, and for once I'd just let the phone ring. Then I'd remind you of forever and how our love would never change. If I only had today. I'd wake up before the sun did, and I'd watch as you quietly sleep. I'd pray for time to move slowly, knowing the moment won't keep all the gifts that heaven has given. Every blessing that's come my way wouldn't mean anything without you. So if I only had today, I'd hold you and listen. I'd memorize every detail of your face. I'd tell you I loved you over and over. I wouldn't let excuses get in the way. Then